This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about labels, specifically these Label Tech Tamper-Evident labels. They come in a nice variety of different styles, and you can see we've got tasty, thank you, enjoy, healthy, vegetarian, 100% fresh, gluten-free, kosher, salmon, chicken, and beef here. Now, these 2-inch round plastic labels are great for sealing boxes and bags of prepackaged foods or to-go items. So they're a great thing to use when you're looking to seal something up and you want some sort of tamper seal. After they're applied, if someone tries to peel them off, they're going to leave a void mark, which will easily tell your other customers or your employees if something's been opened, which is a fantastic feature to have. It can be used on boxes or bags. They're great little stickers. They come on rolls, so they're easy to dispense and apply. And they've got a lot of useful different ones. There's some great flavor indicators and messages like tasty, enjoy, and thank you. There's also some great dietary ones like the vegetarian, gluten-free, and kosher. So if you're doing things like prepackaged lunches and you want to tell your customers easily what's for them and maybe what's not, if you have something that's vegetarian, it's just then really easy for your customers to identify what they want and pick it up, and it'll really help to speed things up. And then there's also some great ingredient ones like the salmon, chicken, and beef. So it's a nice range of stylish labels that are kind of chalkboard inspired on the black ones. So you can see we've got a great little kind of black and white scheme going on that are really useful if you're looking for something to help seal up items, whether it's in your bakery, cafe, deli, or restaurant. If you've got any prepackaged items or any grab-and-go items, or if you're doing things like catering and maybe you're packing up boxed or bag lunches. These have some great options to help speed up service and make things easier for your customers and employees.